In 2023, astronomers found something impossible. A planet that breaks every single rule of physics we know. It exists in a place where planets shouldn't exist. It's made of materials that shouldn't be there. And it might be the most important discovery in modern astronomy. Because either our science is wrong, or something built it. Meet TOI 849b. It's 730 light-years away, orbiting a star much like our Sun. But here's what makes it impossible. First, it's too dense. This planet has the mass of 40 Earths, but it's smaller than Neptune. If you could stand on it, gravity would crush you instantly. Every cubic inch weighs more than a car. Second, it has no atmosphere. Not thin atmosphere. No atmosphere. It's a naked, scorching rock floating in space. And according to our models, that can't happen. Planets this massive should be gas giants, like Jupiter. They should be surrounded by hydrogen clouds thousands of miles thick. But TOI 849b has nothing. It's like finding a skyscraper without walls. A whale without skin. A fundamental piece is missing. If mysteries of the cosmos fascinate you, tap that like button. It truly supports our mission to explore. Scientists have 3 explanations, and one of them changes everything. Theory 1, a cosmic collision. Maybe it was a gas giant that crashed into something. But the math doesn't add up. Theory 2, a failed star. Maybe it tried to become a star but couldn't ignite. Except its orbit is wrong. Its composition is wrong. Then there's Theory 3, the engineered object. What if it's not natural? What if something stripped this planet on purpose? Built something underneath? Mined it completely? We strip mine planets. We reshape worlds. What if another civilization needed materials? And this is what's left. A planetary core, picked clean. This isn't just about one weird planet. It's about the universe's biggest question: if life is common. Where is everyone? Maybe advanced civilizations don't die peacefully. They consume their planets, then their stars. Then they move on, leaving husks like TOI 849b behind. Right now, the James Webb Space Telescope is staring at TOI 849b, looking for clues, traces of artificiality, patterns that don't match nature. And here's what keeps astronomers awake at night. What if we're not looking for aliens in oceans or atmospheres, but in planetary graveyards? TOI 849b shouldn't exist, but it does. And that means one of 2 things: either we're about to rewrite astrophysics textbooks, or we found our first evidence that we're not alone. And that we should be very, very careful. If unraveling cosmic secrets excites you, subscribe and hit the bell. We're just getting started on this journey through the stars. The universe is stranger than fiction, and every new discovery brings us closer to the truth.